In Photoshop, I have this image open and I'd like to change the color of these boots. First, we'll want to go over to the toolbar and select the Object Selection tool. Now simply drag over the object you'd like to change the color of, and Photoshop will automatically select it. The selection isn't always perfect. So to add to your selection, hold down the Shift key while dragging over the part that Photoshop missed. Or you get to hold down the Alt key while dragging to remove an unwanted part of the selection. Once you're happy with your selection, go down here in the Layer tab, click this little folder to create a new group. Then click the Add Layer Mask button to create a mask of your selection. And while you're down here, click the Create New Adjustment Layer button and select Solid Color. Select the color you want to change your object to. I'll stick with this yellow color. To keep things simple, then you'll need to create another adjustment layer, but this time select Brightness/Contrast. We're not going to mess with the brightness contrast yet, so let's go back to the Layer tab, where we should now have a group that contains a brightness contrast layer and a color fill layer. Okay, first drag the color fill above your brightness contrast layer. Then with the color fill layer selected, use this drop down to change the blending mode to color. This is looking great, so all that's left to do is double click on the brightness contrast layer's sun to bring up its settings. In here you can use these sliders to adjust the brightness and contrast of your color. For mine, I'm going to decrease the brightness to bring out more of a rich yellow, and I might decrease the contrast just a bit to bring out some of the finer details, though remember that these adjustments are up to you and what looks good for your image. But yeah, that's it for this tutorial. So as always, thanks for watching and see you next time. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.